Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're outside of the Calabar High School today, right here on Red Hills Road. So I'm gonna be checking out a new development. This is a commercial development on Red Hills Road. I am on Raymore Road and we're just outside of the Calabar High School. If there's any Calabar past student watching, just give Calabar a shout out in the comments. I know even for females, you have some females who support Calabar, some who support KC. So if you have any Calabar females, let us know in the comment section as well. So first of all guys, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free, doesn't cost anything. Turn on your post notification bell so you're notified each time I do a new upload. Leave a comment on this new commercial development as well, let me know what you think. And like the video. So we're going outside shortly just to show you around the area, show you the first views of the complex, and there's also a billboard showing the finished complex as well. So stay tuned guys. Let's go take a walk. Alright guys, it seems as if they are redoing the sidewalks to create a third lane to enter and exit the plaza. And that's the plaza under construction. It was a very big empty lot before. So just gonna show you guys a few shots around the place. Again, Red Hills Road, just outside of the Calabar High School. Alright guys, so this is the 76 RHR Business Center. 76 Premier Business Park, right here on Red Hills Road. Retail shops, restaurant, offices and BPO. Alright guys, so there you have it. Some first glimpses of the new commercial complex. There's BPO there, food, retail, shopping, other stores as well. So the name is 76 Commercial Park, right here on Red Hills Road. So not a bad location. Yes, it's a little bit outside of Half a Tree, which is the main hub, but this is still a commercial area per se, and you have a big supermarket down the road. So you have Lee's Food Fair, that's a massive supermarket down the road. So pretty decent location nevertheless. What do you guys think though? Let me know what you think right in front of Calabar. Share your thoughts, share your comments. So just finishing off the video, you know, with a little bit of driving, so you guys have a even better idea of where you are. So we now exiting Red Hills Road onto Kasha Park Road. Alright guys, so share your thoughts. Just want to give you guys a first update. That's my first update. The first time I came there, the building wasn't visible, so I didn't bother to do any video. But now it's moving quite nicely. I think there are now 2 or 3 floors up. So I wanted to show you guys that first look. And for all the person that have always, you know, keep suggesting places that I can check out, suggest the new development that I have missed, you guys continue. You guys know yourself as well, because you know it was one of you subscribers that reminded me of this complex on Red Hills Road. So each person on the channel support in some way, you know, whether it's always suggesting develops that's happening that I may have overlooked, whether it's maybe liking, sharing, commenting, or even watching an ad. You know, you have persons who donate financially as well. So everybody's supporting their own little way, and I definitely appreciate that. Thanks again for the support, guys, and thanks again for being a part of the channel. Thanks again for clicking on this video. And I'll see you on another discovery. I'll see you on another update, whatever it may be. You guys just keep supporting the channel.